Hey guys, it's Shane McCarthy here from Truestim BC, here to show you the best in electric muscle therapy. It is the top 3 technologies you'd find in a physiotherapist's office, but you can use it in the comfort of your own home. First, I'm going to introduce you to our Truestim Pro line. It's the only FDA and Health Canada approved wireless device. You can use up to 6 channels with it and go up to 100 yards away from the device. The one thing that sets Truestim apart from the competitors on the market is we use gold wiring, whereas the other guys are using copper wiring. Gold is great because it's going to get better conductivity, whereas copper isn't as pure, so it's not going to be as smooth. Let's go over what you get in your Truestim Pro package. You'll see that you get your device and 2 receivers. Underneath these are a whole bunch of other accessories. Let's go through what each one of these accessories is and how it's going to help you relieve your pain. In the bottom of your box with the accessories that you get with it, you get this quick guide to show you what the different modes are and a couple of quick how-tos on how to use the device. However, as you'll see, we have a bunch of other videos that show you the different uses of the device. This is the AccuBelt. This pad is non-sticky. It attaches to you with either a small or a large Velcro strap. The small strap is to be used when you're putting it on your arms or your legs. The larger strap can be used for when you're using it on your hips, your core, your lower back, and when you're moving around, it is a better pad to use. This is the sticky large back pad. As you'll see, it's got a break in the middle here so it doesn't go onto your spine, but you can put this anywhere up and down your back, along the side of your hip. You can even run it vertically up and down your leg for sciatica. These are the connecting cables. You have 2 6-inch cables to connect to the receiver and some of your electrodes, as well as a 12-inch set of cords to attach to one of your accessories. These are the auricular therapy clips. These are to be used for headaches, migraines, TMJ syndrome, even sinus issues. Just use them on your ears. You'd be amazed at how quickly the microcurrent stimulation will help you. You will also get 2 sets of small electrode pads. You can put these anywhere on your body really to manage pain instantly. Our devices use a lithium ion battery. This comes with a dual port charger with 2 cables so that you can charge both receivers at the same time or your device with one of your receivers. It also comes with a bottle of our conductor spray. This will help you keep your sticky pads stickier, and your non-sticky pads, it will help you with making the accessory conductive. These are our most popular accessory, the Accu slippers or sandals. With the microcurrent stimulation in our devices, you can actually perform real reflexology with these sandals. And our Truestim Pro does come with an 8-year warranty. This is a certificate that you'll find in every one of our packages. Alright, now that you got your Pro kit out and ready, what you're going to want to do is turn your device on, just like that, with the button on the top. Then you're going to turn your receiver on. Just got a button right there. The light should be green. Then you're going to take your pads and connect them in. You can actually put one pad right into the receiver and then connect them on your body. What you do is take the protective coating off each of the pads, and you're going to want to go through the pain. So you're going to put, say for a shoulder, put the pad on the trap and then onto the delt or the rear part of your shoulder. As you can see, the Truestim Pro Wireless is super easy to use. Just find a mode that suits you best and a level that is comfortable for you, and you should be seeing some pain relief almost instantaneously. Make sure that once you're done with the pads that you use the spray them after, put the protective coating back on there. That's going to help the pads last a lot longer. Now, if you don't have any spray, if you run out, make sure you visit our website above to help your pads last the longest.